For every 1 cup of lentils that we cook, we'll need 1 3/4 a cup of liquid. So the ratio is 1 cup dry lentils to 1 3/4 a cup of water. I'll add 1 cup of lentils to my Instant Pot and 1 3/4 a cup of water, or vegetable broth if you prefer. I'll also add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, sprinkle in some black pepper, and give it a stir. Depending on your intentions with the lentils, you can add other seasonings as desired. Put the lid on and set the vent knob to the sealing position. Manually cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. After it finishes cooking, let it do a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of natural release, do a quick release for the remaining steam. Once the steam escapes, remove the lid and you now have cooked lentils that can be used for anything. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.